Hello people, this is TDAMITS. I'm gonna try to dig into the Dodge Caravan hopefully this month. Hey my Mopar fans, check it out. I'm gonna do a little something today. First of all, I'm gonna vacuum all the rat poop. Yeah, you want to vacuum it. You don't want to like blow it off, because if you watch my other videos, I like to do what I call the dry cleaning. When I take a leaf blower to a car to clean it, maybe I'll put the link in the description, but I'll probably forget to do that, so watch my other videos. And I found this is a tensioner bar to take the tension off of the pulley so I could get the belt off. And another thing I wanted to point out, I started this project probably last year and some of the parts got lost, so make a note and put all your stuff in a place where you could find it. So anyways, stay tuned and see how far I get today, and then I'll put a proper title hopefully. So that engine mount looks like it needs to be replaced. Oh, put the shadows. And then I have, I'm gonna just pull the pulley today, get rid of this raton caca, and vacuum up. And then I found all my stuff to take the tension thing off of the pulley, and I just wanted to make another note that when you're doing projects like this, you're gonna have a lot of tools, and also remember where you put the tools. It didn't take me that long to find it, but in the past it will take me hours to find stuff. And another disclaimer, if you don't know how to use any tools, go and find out how to use the tools before you use the tools, because if you use tools improperly, you can hurt yourself. So it's very important that if you don't have any idea how to do this stuff, get an idea before you embark. Because I'm in my late 40s and I have some experience, not too much experience, but I'm hoping to capture the attention of people that are like Dodge Mopar enthusiasts in this TDAMITS segment. Taking a break from my rehearsing from my other channel, because I kind of think I have all that kind of in place, but anyways, I don't want to bore you with those details, so let's get into this. Oh shoot, no power, what the heck, shoot. No power, what the fuck? Yeah, this side blows, so you don't want to attach the blower part when you're trying to vacuum up rat poop, because that could be a airborne problem. So I have this, so time to suck. Now I have to just remove the belt, have the tension thingy, and then that sucker is going to be done deal. Oh, yeah. I'll get it, bro. I'll get it. I don't want you to crash into the Dodge, man. This is gonna be the $1 million Dodge, bro. Just wait. And don't worry, I'll let you ride in it, bro. But you can't drive it, only ride in it. You'll let me? So far I dropped this like 3 times. I'm trying to take the tension off the belt, and I think that you rotate it clockwise. The tensioner is right there. See? See it? See it? Do you believe it? Anyways, so far it's taken me like half hour to do this. That's why I get intimidated or discouraged, whatever it's called. But like I told you before, the way you do anything with a car or a vehicle that you like, one bolt at a time. I figured I only have time to take off this belt today because I can't get good leverage. So if you're watching this and you know how to get good leverage on the tensioner, hey, leave a comment. It's always helpful. But I'm going to remove this is the transmission box. This is the computer box. In case you were wondering, computer box, transmission box. Ah, the sun is behind me directly now. All right. I'm actually surprised that transmission box was a 516. Look, a 516. I was trying to use metric on it. I swear this car's probably metric and imperial system. So anyways, I'm gonna see if I could get leverage off that sucker now. So golly gee gosh darn. Just a note, it's this stupid bar here, not bar, sorry, the bar can't get leverage because of this air conditioner line. Hopefully it's discharged. I haven't used air conditioning in this van for a long time, or ever. So I'm trying to get that box end got stuck on the tensioner anyway, so I was just gonna yank it, you know. And no offense, Harbor Freight. Well, actually, I could return this, but lifetime warranty. This sucker broke. I was gonna try to add this. To for more leverage, but this end is too fat for that socket. Tensioner. Oh, I think I used this for the. Yeah, I think I actually used this for the S10 Blazer. Watch those videos too if you want. I don't even know what time it is exactly. Let me check. It seems like it took forever to do this freaking little thing. It's 3:51 right now. What in the world? Took me over an hour and a half to do this. My goodness sakes, that's pathetic. And now the belt's off, which is took me too long to do, but at least it's one step closer. And then now this thing is stuck. Oh my gosh. See, the tool's stuck now. And I won't be able to close the hood with that stuck. If I'm probably totally doing this wrong. So if you're one of these people that really know how to use these tools properly, leave a comment. But anyways, that's it for today. The tools you need for this job is maybe a 9/16, for sure a 15, and a properly working bar that doesn't have the BB that fell out of it. And this is not gonna work. But these are the tools, and a vacuum if you have an old engine that has a lot of crap in it that you need to vacuum out. That's the tools. And a lot of patience.